Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here I have the Gshock GR8900 and I'm gonna show you how to set the time, date and other watch functions. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button until you hear the beep. And there it is. Now first in a row of settings is setting our time zone or our city code. You can see that the Paris is flashing over here, indicating that my time zone is currently set to Paris. It is my current time zone, but in case you want to change it, you can press the reverse or forward button until you get it to Paris time zone. Well, in this case, Paris time zone. Next up, press the mode button, and now we are in the position of setting our DST value or our daylight saving time mode. Is it turned on or off? You can see that it is flashing off and the DST is flashing also on this main dial over here. I can shuffle it between on or off by pressing the forward button. Currently, in my time zone, it's turned off, so I'm gonna leave it at off. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna press the mode button and we are in the position of setting our 12 or 24 hour format. Currently it's set to 24 hours, as you can see it's flashing, but I can shuffle it between 12 or 24 hour time format by pressing the forward button over here, and it will correspondingly turn on the P because it is 4 p.m. currently. I'm gonna leave it at 24 hour time format. Next up, press the mode button, and now we are in the position of setting our seconds value. You cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value by simply pressing the forward button and the seconds will go to 0. Once you have set your seconds value, press the mode button and now you are in the position of setting your hour value. To increase or decrease the value of your hours, press the the reverse or forward button until you get to value that you want. Currently, in my time zone, it is 17 o'clock. So I have set my hour value. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna press the mode button and the flashing moves on to minutes, the minutes value, yes. Now we are in the position of setting our minutes. Again, by pressing the reverse or forward button, you can change your minutes in increments of 1. Once you have set your minutes value, press the mode button once again, and now we are in the position of setting our year value. Currently it is flashing 2022, but I can decrease it by pressing the reverse or increase it by pressing the forward button over here. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna press the mode button again. By pressing the mode button, we are in the position of setting our month value. Currently it is flashing number 12, which corresponds to the month of December, but I can increase it or decrease it by pressing the reverse or forward button until I get it to the exact value. Press the mode button and now we are in the position of setting our day value. It is flashing number 8, which corresponds to today's date, so it is the December the 8th, but I can decrease it by pressing the reverse or increase it by pressing the forward button. Once you're done with that, press the mode button and you are in the position of setting your operation tone. To shuffle operation tone on or off, press the forward button and you can mute it or unmute it. Key is for the operation tone on. Once you're done with that, press the mode button and now you are in a position of setting your illumination duration. Currently it is flashing LT3 over here, indicated that when I press the illumination button, the watch face will stay lit on for 3 seconds. But when I press the forward button and get to LT1, it indicates that when I press the illumination button, the watch face will stay lit on for 1.5 seconds. I'm gonna leave it at LT1. Once I'm done with setting that, I'm gonna press the mode button once again, and now I'm in the position of setting your power saving. Is it on or off? It is currently flashing on, but I can turn it on or off by pressing the forward button. It will also be indicated in this circle over here when you turn it on. I'm gonna leave it at on since I want my power to be saved. Next up, press the mode button once again, and now we are back in the beginning and setting our time zone, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting the time and date on this watch. To implement the settings, simply press the adjust button, and the watch will now implement all of those settings that we have just ran through. Before ending this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the automatic illumination or auto light, which means that when you flick your wrist, the watch will automatically turn on the light. That is done by pressing and holding the illumination button for around 5 or 3 seconds. Well, in this case it's 3 seconds, and it will be indicated on this circle over here, and it says LT. When it's full, it means, well, it's turned on, it means that the automatic light is turned on. To turn it back off, simply again press and hold it, and it is turned off. That was another video on how to set the time and date. This time it was the Gshock GR8900. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. Thank you.